We are logged in as a system administrator, and we are going to take a look at adding a new user or adding a new group. Normally the users themselves will be putting in this information, but there are some times when administratively it's just easier to do it yourself. To do that, we go to Manage, People, Users, and we're going to add a new user to the group. That brings up a list of every user that's registered with the system. And to add a new one, we just click Add User, and this comes up with a screen for all the information that the user would fill out when they're requesting access to the site, with one exception, and that is the role down here at the bottom. Since we are a system administrator, we assign roles, and so this person, we will assign them as a facilities use system authorized requester. Once that's filled out, we hit Next, and we have added a new user to the system. To add a group, we go, it's very similar, Manage, People, Groups, and that comes up with a list of all the groups that are listed in the system. We click Add New Group, and now we are going to add the book club. That would be youth reading. Primary contact. We need to know there needs to be a person associated with a group. So that is Mike Patton. Classification. We know, since we're adding it, what classification it is. In this case, it is a community-based not-for-profit, Class 2, from the general price list. We hit Insert. This now creates the group in the system. We see in red here that the group has not been approved in the classification. Well, we added it, so we're going to approve that. If this was a group that had applied from outside, we would administratively review that and determine if that's the proper classification. Once we've done that, we update it, we see that our prompt goes away. We will see that we still need an insurance letter. We don't have an insurance letter on file. This is not checked. And we have a series of questions down here that we can take a look at. Is this stuff taxable? No. Do we want to show the event on the public calendar? Okay, we'll do that. Do we require a security deposit? This is stuff that we would take a look. Is it an internal group? Is there a seasonal fee schedule? Once we have answered all those questions, we hit Update, and now we have added a new group to our system.